When we think about relationships, we often focus on the romantic gestures, the grand dates, and the sweet nothings whispered in our ears. But what if I told you that there's a deeper, more scientific way to form connections that can last a lifetime? It's called emotional science, and it's the secret to making someone feel hopelessly addicted to you. Sometimes, no matter how hard we try, we just can't seem to break down those walls and form a genuine bond with someone. We might feel like we're speaking different languages, or that we're just not on the same wavelength. It's frustrating, and it can be heartbreaking. The truth is, it's not just about compatibility or chemistry. It's about understanding the deep-seated emotional needs that drive human behavior. Attachment theory tells us that our earliest relationships shape the way we form connections as adults. It's a complex web of emotions, needs, and desires that drive our behavior in relationships. But what if we could use that knowledge to our advantage? What if we could create a sense of security, of safety, and of unconditional acceptance that would make someone feel hopelessly addicted to us? Emotional addiction is a psychological phenomenon where our brain becomes wired to associate another person with feelings of pleasure, comfort, and security. When we're able to activate those feelings in someone, we can create a deep sense of attachment that's hard to shake. But it's not just about manipulation. It's about understanding what drives human behavior and using that knowledge to form genuine connections. One of the most effective techniques for creating emotional addiction is something called emotional labeling. It's the process of acknowledging and validating someone's emotions, making them feel seen and heard. When we're able to do that, we create a sense of safety and security that makes people feel like they can be their authentic selves around us. It's a powerful tool, and it's one that can be used to create a deep sense of connection and attachment. Another technique is something called emotional mirroring. It's the process of reflecting someone's emotions back to them, making them feel like they're not alone. When we're able to do that, we create a sense of unity and togetherness that can be incredibly powerful. It's a technique that's been used by therapists, marketers, and even politicians to create a sense of connection and attachment. In conclusion, emotional science is a powerful tool that can transform relationships and foster genuine connections. By understanding attachment theory, emotional addiction, and the psychological principles that drive human behavior, we can create a sense of security, of safety, and of unconditional acceptance that makes someone feel hopelessly addicted to us. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on emotional science in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.